Hello friends, today in this video I will show you clam symbol in world, how to insert this clam symbol in world. Very easy and a very quick and very easy method. So firstly you need to click on insert. Now this last option symbol and more symbols. Just click on it and here you see this one screen will be open. Now you need to font select this one. You see this one and you need to type here this character code 1F5DC and now press enter. Now need to click on insert and close it. So this very easy and a quick video, you can very easily insert this symbol in world. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.